Justin Timberlake's DWI arrest, overzealous policing or justified enforcement. Justin Timberlake's recent encounter with law enforcement has made headlines, not just for the alleged infraction but also for the manner in which it was handled. The young officer involved, Michael Arkinson, has garnered attention for his reportedly aggressive policing style, raising questions about the appropriateness of his actions and the broader implications for public figures in similar situations. The incident occurred in Sag Harbor, New York, where 23-year-old Officer Michael Arkinson pulled over Timberlake for allegedly driving through a stop sign and swerving. Timberlake, 43, was booked for driving while intoxicated, DWI, ignoring a stop sign, and failing to stay in a proper lane. Despite Timberlake's concern that the arrest would ruin his ongoing world tour, Arkinson, seemingly unaware of the pop star's identity, proceeded with the arrest. Arkinson, a recent graduate of the police academy and newly promoted full-time officer, has already developed a controversial reputation. Local residents, including a man identified as Spencer, described him as over-aggressive and shared anecdotes of seemingly petty traffic stops. Spencer recounted being pulled over for a U-turn and later for allegedly talking on his cell phone, resulting in a $145 ticket. These interactions have earned Arkinson unflattering nicknames such as the Sag Harbor Nazi and Little Red-Headed Dips T. The criticism of Arkinson's policing style raises important questions about the balance between law enforcement and community relations. While maintaining public safety is paramount, the perception of overzealous policing can undermine trust and cooperation between officers and the communities they serve. Arkinson's actions, as described by locals, suggest a pattern of behavior that prioritizes strict enforcement over discretion and community engagement. For Timberlake, the arrest has significant personal and professional implications. The pop star, currently on his Forget Tomorrow World Tour, expressed concern about the potential fallout from the arrest. Despite these worries, Timberlake returned to the stage in Chicago, addressing the incident briefly and acknowledging the support of his fans. This resilience highlights the pressures faced by public figures to maintain their professional commitments amidst personal setbacks. Timberlake's arrest is not an isolated incident but rather part of a broader pattern of celebrity encounters with law enforcement. These situations often attract significant media attention and public scrutiny, amplifying the actions of both the individual and the officers involved. The dynamics of such encounters can be complex, influenced by the celebrity status, the officer's awareness, or lack thereof, and the broader societal context. The media coverage of Timberlake's arrest and Arkinson's policing style has been extensive, reflecting the public's fascination with celebrity scandals and law enforcement's role in them. The narrative constructed by outlets like the Daily Mail and Page Six shapes public perception, often emphasizing sensational details and personal anecdotes. This coverage can influence opinions about both the celebrity and the officer, highlighting the power of media in shaping societal attitudes. Justin Timberlake's DWI arrest, handled by a young and reportedly overzealous officer, underscores the complexities of celebrity encounters with law enforcement. While the specifics of the incident warrant scrutiny, they also reflect broader issues of policing practices and public accountability. For Timberlake, the episode is a reminder of the challenges faced by public figures, balancing personal conduct with professional obligations under the relentless gaze of media and public scrutiny. As for Officer Arkinson, the criticisms of his policing style highlight the ongoing debate about the appropriate use of authority and the need for community-oriented policing strategies.